What is up, fuzzies? It's Buzzcraft Monsters, thanks again more. And so today, I'll be trying I'll try the cereal milk challenge. Actually, this reverse cereal milk slime challenge, which is making cereal milk in the other way around with like different amounts of ingredients. And so, I'm pretty scared. I don't know how I'm gonna make it, but yes, some cereal milk slime that I made with the actual way, where you add in a lot of white glue, and about 50% of the white glue is like clear glue, and then you make it very glossy, and it's extremely glossy here. It's a bit sticky though, and so. So, as I said before, I'm going to do the reverse one. So, I'm going to add in a lot of clear glue and a bit of white glue, and then the rest of it's just normal. So, I wouldn't particularly say it's reverse slime challenge, but having different amounts of ingredients. Slime challenge, I guess? Yeah. So, I'll tell you the ingredients and let's go. You will need some white glue. I'm going to use this like little stick of glue. Some baking soda. Like essential oils, but I'm going to use this one because it smells good and it smells like roses. This is actually hair essence, so I can spray it on my hair. You know, I just ate some hair essence, so it tastes like salt. But yeah, you need some whatever that will give you some scent. Some contact solution, a place to mix it in, and also some clear glue. And I'm making a very small batch because I have like 2 big batches that are bigger than these. So yeah, I'm gonna be using a bit of clear glue because I'm broke out of clear glue, so I don't have any clear glue in my house right now, and I'm kind of scared. Yeah. You'll also need some water. I'm using this little cup thing that I got from my cleanser. So, yeah. Some lotion. Mine is very tiny because I want to save it and use only small portions. Also need a utensil to mix it with. And just in case, you'll need some tissues. And yeah. Something optional is food coloring, but since it's cereal milk slime, I'm not going to use any food coloring. Let's go. So in your clear glue, let's add in some water. So yeah. I'm going to add in water, and it's about like 30% kind of the glue. And then start mixing it up. Yeah. Mix it thoroughly, but since my glue is pretty thick, I'm gonna like make it a bit runny, but it's still pretty thick because I'm gonna add in some hair mist or like the essential oils. And then I'm also gonna add in lotion, so it's gonna become runny, so I'm not gonna make it any more runnier, but it's pretty thick already. And then we can add in our lotion. Yeah, add in our lotion, and then yeah. And then close the lid, and then mix. Yeah. It's already turning like unclear, so it's like translucent, where it's like half clear but like also half not able to be seen. So it looks like some kind of syrup. And then let's add in a little white glue. What? Okay. And then add only like I'll use the other side. Okay. Wow, that's good. Okay, and then only add like 20% of your white glue. No, not your white glue. Your clear glue of your white glue. What? Okay, what? I don't understand. So I've added about 20% of white glue. Wait, what? I've added white glue, which is about 20% of the clear glue. Yeah, I don't even know if that makes sense. And so, yeah. And then start mixing it. And it should turn like white and unclear, but pretty glossy. But mine isn't that white yet. It looks kind of like eggs. Okay. Yes, everyone, I've got a cold. And so I'm gonna add more white glue. So that's enough. And then, yeah, oh my god. Yep, and then start mixing it up, and it should turn like, oh my god. Eh. Oh my god, this is terrible. Eh. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. This is why you need tissues, everyone. I made a big mess. Yeah. So, add in your scent. I'm gonna add in my hair mist, and mine's pink. I don't think you can see it though. Like, it's pretty pink. Yeah, it's pink. And I'm gonna add a lot because my white glue smells terrible. And it's already pretty ready. So, yeah. By the way, my hair mousse is like half oil and half water, so I have to like shake it up so I can start using it. And then spray it again till it smells nice. And then, oh, that smells really strong. Yeah. Once it's done mixing, you can add in your baking soda. It's like about a pinchful. And then stir thoroughly, then activate. So yeah. So as I said in my other videos, I said I would introduce you guys to my dog. She's now about 1 year and 9 months old, I guess. But she's pretty young in human age. So that's her. Her name is Coco. She's very playful. Sometimes she's a bit naughty, but yeah. She was just sleeping right now, and then I called her, so. She can be sometimes very loyal, but like, not loyal, I guess. She's a pretty good dog. Yeah. And she's house Maltese. But her fur's like very curly, so I think she's a bit of a poodle. I don't know. Coco, who are your parents? Who are your parents? How are you not making eye contact with me though? Hi. Hi. Eh. Okay. I'll let it go. So again, let's go activate. Bye. Okay. Can activate it. And then it's creating a slime. Okay. So I'll mix it, I'll come back. So I just spilled slime again. It's pretty sad. So my new lesson is never record while stirring. Because I'm wasting glue, I'm wasting money, I'm wasting activator, I'm wasting baking soda. I'm just, oh yeah, I'm wasting my time. And it's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. and it's clumping up, so I'll take it out of the bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out of the bowl. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, for all of you watching me still, thank you so much. Oh yeah, by the way, please press the like buttons, and then please click the red button down below, which means subscribe. When you click subscribe, there will be a bell button, and if you click the bell button, it will give you notifications whenever I post a video. Yeah. So what you want to do now is you want to just hand it knead, but don't add too much activator because then it'll over-activate and it's not a good slime. Oh my god, it smells like roses. It smells like roses. I have a runny nose right now, so I can't say anything properly, but I hope I can say something properly. I don't know. So I think my slime is almost done, and I'm looking back at my slime. This is basically like a major success. Okay, some good thumbnail. No, but that would spoil the whole challenge, though. Okay, so, after kneading this for a long time, then activating it, I think I over-activated this. Maybe not, but it's not like properly distributed activator. So, hey. And right now it's spring break, so I'm like happy. And it's already the second day of my spring break, and we only have a week, so I'm scared to death. And yesterday I went to the bookstore with my family. That was pretty good because I read like a lot of books. I'm currently reading the Infernal Devices series by Cassandra Clare. Hashtag not sponsored, but no! Okay, so yes, my challenge was a major success. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna mix this. But it's like really pink compared to my old one though. And my old one's much more stickier. And if you mix it, it probably won't stick. But yeah. This is like really good cereal milk slime. It's like really glossy. It's not really sticky though. And it's like smells nice. So it's perfect. So I'll do one last swirl and then I'll see you guys in the next videos. So, and then one more. Oh yeah, I should make a bubblegum slime without using borax or baby powder. No, I should do how to make butter slime without clay. So yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye. I love you guys.